Hey friends, Dave here again. Today I want to talk about three emails that, look, if you're running a business, you should absolutely automate these emails, right? The big thing here is, of course, automation can save you time and really help you drive engagement and sales. But oftentimes we start thinking about, these more difficult things like setting up a drip series, and we're going to talk about those a little bit more later. But when you're doing that, it's a little bit more difficult because you have to start getting into the weeds of things, right? Like how many emails are you going to send? What are you going to say in each of those emails and all of that kind of stuff, right? But today I want to talk about three types of automated emails that really don't require a ton of thought or time for you to get going, right? And they can really have a big impact on the bottom line of your business, right? And so the first of which is birthday emails. Now, these are really simple to set up. They're based on somebody's birthday, of course, right? So you have to get that information. You have to start collecting that. You can do that on your sign-up forms, or you can send out an email and ask people to enter that information, do something like that. But the idea here is that whether you send it on their actual birthday or a few days before you decide, you kind of set this up once and then you forget about it. And every year on somebody's birthday, they're going to get something that encourage them, hopefully, to either build a tighter relationship with you or stimulate some sales. Maybe it does both, right? Depending on what you do. So you can send a little like, hey, here's a free cookie on your birthday, or here's a little discount for you, whatever the case may be, right? The second email are anniversary emails, right? These are another type of date-based automated email. So you can think of like the anniversary of a first sale, or the first time somebody became a customer, or the first time they made a donation, whatever the case may be. But because it's really based on date, it could be things similar, such as maybe you have a particular product or service that, typically under normal use, let's say, expires or runs out at a particular time. And so if somebody bought a product, you can set up a date for a reminder that says like, hey, you might be running low on this particular thing. Maybe it's time to order some more, right? Something like that. So again, a simple email to set up. You set it up once and it works all the time as long as you have that date information that you're trying to associate it with. And then the last one I'll mention here for you today is the abandoned cart email, right? So if you're using one of those e-commerce platforms, right, for example, like Shopify, people visit your cart. Sometimes they don't buy something. Well, it doesn't take a lot to set up this automation that just goes like, hey, did you want to buy this, right? You're not losing anything by doing that. And oftentimes we see these actually save some sales for people, so you actually make out in the long run. So those are three simple emails that you can automate and start to help you see results to your bottom line: birthday emails, anniversary emails, and abandoned cart emails. I'd love to know if you're using any of these and how are they working for you. Tell me in the comments. All right, friends, we'll talk to you next time.